Hello students, I hope all of you are very excited to participate in semester 1 examination which are supposed to be held in the month of November. Now the time is very less and we have to revise lot many things and lot of practice is required. Before watching this video, what I suggest, either revise this topic first from your book or go in the description box. There is a link. There is a very short video on the topic which we are covering in this particular chapter or particular video, right? So let's start, students, and let's start with the first question. Chromosome was discovered by Chromosome was discovered by Walter Fleming, and the right answer is Walter Fleming. Watson and Crick is not the right answer because Watson and Crick discovered DNA. Rosalind Franklin, he studied the structure of DNA first. Robert Hooke discovered cell, and Walter Fleming discovered chromosome. Here the correct answer is Walter Fleming. Our next question is, two sister chromatids joined at a point which also serve to attach to the spindle fiber during cell division also. The correct answer is centromere. Now what is a centromere? Let's understand through a diagram. These are your sister chromatids and they are attached at a point. This point is called centromere, right? What is centriole? मान लीजिए this is your animal cell, this is a nucleus, and outside the nucleus there is a centrosome, okay, and that centrosome consists of two centrioles. So centriole is not the right choice here. Centrosome is also not a right choice. Now what is the chiasma? At the time of crossing over, two non-sister chromatids are attached at a point where the exchange of characteristics takes place. That is called chiasma. So here the correct answer is centromere. The term chromosome literally means, chromosome means colored bodies. So the term chromosome means colored bodies. Next question is, the DNA strand winds around a core of 8 histone molecules. This core can be imagined like a football around which a long rope is hung with one or two loops. Each such complex is called nucleoside. No. न्यूक्लियस नो. न्यूक्लियोटाइड नहीं. करेक्ट आंसर इज न्यूक्लियोसोम. न्यूक्लियोटाइड पर क्वेश्चन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चों. न्यूक्लियोटाइड इज द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन बेस प्लस पेंटोज शुगर प्लस फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. And next question is, as the cell begin to enter the first stage, process of cell division, the chromatin fiber, they condense and form chromatids, not chromatids, sorry, chromosome. Chromosome is the correct answer. Just hold on, bacho. The correct answer is chromosome. So this is the chromatin material. This chromatin material condense and form chromosome. Okay. So here the correct answer is chromosome. The next question is, nucleotide is the repeating unit of DNA. It consists of nitrogen base प्लस पेंटोज शुगर प्लस फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. फर्स्ट चॉइस में आपको सल्फेट ग्रुप दिया हुआ है इसलिए नहीं होगा. सेकंड चॉइस में पेंटोज शुगर मिसिंग है इसलिए नहीं होगा. थर्ड में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड दिया है बट नाइट्रोजन बेस नहीं दिया हुआ है तो थर्ड भी नहीं होगा. हेयर द राइट आंसर इज नाइट्रोजन बेस, पेंटोज शुगर एंड फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस. फर्स्ट DNA प्लस 8 हिस्टोन प्रोटीन कंबाइन एंड फॉर्म न्यूक्लियोसोम. Nucleosome का condensed form is chromatin material and very coiled structure of chromatin material is called chromosome. So here the right choice is third. First नहीं हो सकता. DNA के बाद में क्रोमोसोम बन रहा है और क्रोमोसोम के बाद क्रोमैटिड्स नहीं बनेगा, मतलब वो चॉइस गलत है. DNA के बाद में क्रोमोसोम, न्यूक्लियोसोम लास्ट चॉइस नहीं हो सकता है. So here the right answer is third. The type of bond which join the complementary nitrogen bases are हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, कोऑर्डिनेट आयोनिक और कोरेन का तो कोई काम ही नहीं है. The three sketches given below A, B, C are intended to represent the replication. Then what should be correct sequence starting with the first and the ending with the last? So सबसे पहले होता है ये आपका B पार्ट, मिडल वन, दिस वन, ओके. फिर ये मिडल पार्ट जो होता है, B पार्ट जो है ये अनकॉइल्ड होता है लाइक C, एंड देन इट फॉर्म्स टू molecules of DNA. That is the part A. So the correct sequence is B, C, A. Okay. Given below is a systematic representation of portion of DNA. How many strands are there and how many nucleotides have been shown in each strand? ये क्वेश्चन बच्चों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और उसके गलत होने की पूरी संभावना है. Now listen, there are the two strands. देखिए, one strand and this is the second strand. Okay, so पहला क्वेश्चन है how many strands are there? That is the two strands. The second question is, see, here there are total number of 4 nucleotides. Nucleotides क्या होता है? Pentose sugar, nitrogen base and phosphate group. So 1, this is the 2, this one is 3, this one is the 4. So total number of nucleotide is 4. But here the question is, how many nucleotides have been shown in each strand? एक strand में कितने nucleotides हैं? In one strand there are 2 nucleotides. One is this one and another one is this. So in total two nucleotides are there in one strand, right? Okay. Our next question is, here the correct answer is this. Chromatin material consists of 40% DNA and 60% histone protein. That is called nucleosome. Name the purines present in DNA. It's very easy to learn. AG, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines क्या करते हैं? वो सिटी बजाते हैं. Cytosine and thymine. The repeating component of each DNA strand lengthwise is, it is nucleotide. Name the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Name the DNA unit constituted by part 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 अलग अलग है, 123 नहीं है. Part 1 is phosphate group. Part 2 is pentose sugar. Part 3 could be any of the nitrogen base और purine हो सकता है, pyrimidine हो सकता है. Part 4 is hydrogen bond. Again, part 5 is any of nitrogen base, purine or pyrimidine, anything could be there. Now the part 1, 2, 3, it consists of nucleotide. How it is a nucleotide? Pentose sugar, this is phosphate group, this is pentose sugar and any of the one nitrogen base. ये पूरा क्या बन गया आपका? एक nucleotide बन गया. So here we have to check the right answer. The first part is phosphate group, pentose sugar, 1, 2, 3. Yes, phosphate group, pentose sugar, purine, hydrogen bond, pyrimidine, nucleotide हो सकता है. फॉस्फेट ग्रुप, पेंटोज शुगर. ओके, यहाँ शायद मैंने फॉस्फेट ग्रुप मेंशन करना भूल गई हूँ मैं. तो पेंटोज शुगर, नाइट्रोजन बेस, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, नाइट्रोजन बेस, न्यूक्लियोटाइड सही हो सकता था. बट यदि यहाँ पे पेंटोज शुगर किससे पहले फॉस्फेट ग्रुप होता. फॉस्फेट ग्रुप वो मैंने दिया हुआ था बट शायद आई थिंक यहाँ मिसप्रिंट रह गया है. पेंटोज शुगर पिरिमिडीन भी हो सकता है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड के बाद में प्यूरिन भी हो सकता है. And that unit is called nucleotide. So as per my, जैसे मैंने दिया था उसमें phosphate group mention था, उस हिसाब से all are correct वन आंसर जाता. बट यहाँ पर हमें अभी जो सीक्वेंस दिया हुआ है उसके हिसाब से we will go for the first choice. phosphate group, pentose sugar, purine, hydrogen bond and pyrimidine. फिर से देख लेते हैं. phosphate group is 1, second is pentose sugar, third is purine or any kind of the nitrogen base or could be a pyrimidine. 4 is hydrogen bond and the 5 is purine, pyrimidine, nitrogen base. कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Last question. In the interface, the nucleus shows a network of very long, extremely thin staining fiber. They are known as, see, staining fiber interface पे staining जो है और जो हमें colored bodies नजर आती हैं, that is of chromatin material. Okay, so in the first chapter and in the first part of this chapter, you can say in the structure of chromosome. So as per me, in this first chapter, first half of the first chapter, these are the important questions. Please revise it again. Please do the practice of this MCQ based quiz, and let's wait for the another quiz. In this, we are going to discuss the question based on mitosis and meiosis. Till then, take care. Goodbye.